UniFi consoles are hardware platforms specifically designed to run our UniFi OS and software applications. They provide fantastic performance, security, and cost savings benefits. And when paired with UniFi high-capacity PoE switches, can power a full site's IT infrastructure, including networking, camera security, communications, and even the building itself. UniFi consoles come in a variety of form factors, including the Dream Machine, Dream Wall, Dream Router, Cloud Key, and Cloud Console. Each category is designed to fit specific environments, ranging from home to enterprise. With UniFi Design Center, it's never been easier to plan the Wi-Fi coverage across your entire deployment. Compare different access points at a glance and place them on your floor plan indoors or out. Then enable Design Center's visual filters to visualize your signal strength in both the 2.4 and 5 GHz bands. And with 3 different wall options to build your floor plan with, Design Center's coverage map will accurately display the Wi-Fi range based on the materials of the surrounding walls. Moving an access point updates the coverage in real time for precise placement, so you can clearly pinpoint hard-to-predict dead zones and adjust for maximum coverage. UniFi offers 7 different types of access points, designed to cover every potential environment and deployment type. Selecting the right AP is an important choice for maximizing your wireless coverage and performance. So in this video, we'll cover the different types of APs and the situations that each AP is best suited for.